Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some hats from Hat Club. You already know the vibes, man. I'm gonna go over the hats, and you know I gotta give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me, blue brim when you see me, red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, and welcome back, man. So right here, I do have the two-piece, but I know we do have 3 hats in total, you feel me? So, you know, we're not gonna waste no time, man. I got my trusty box cutter, man. So you already know the vibes. And I mean, I just want to say first off, man, Peel Back Gang, we are outside with it, man. Let me go ahead and slice it down the middle. You know the vibes. We're going to go ahead and peel it back. Man, it's been so long. It's been so long since I done came through with some hats, man. But it feels good to be back, man. Let's peel it back. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got our packing slip. And we have 2. We have 2 of those good old Hat Club pins right here, man. You see, you got the Hat Club joints. You know, these are Hat Club exclusives right now, man. But like I said, it's been a while since I done came through with some hats, man. I just haven't really been hitting. And some of the stuff I haven't been feeling as much as other stuff. So, you know, it's finally that time, man. Right here, I do have that New York Mets, you feel me? Now, this was a part of that, I guess you could call it like the restock series, where they just like put a gang of pinkies on the website and they made it easier to grab a pinky. And you already know the vibes, man. I went ahead and got that pink bottom because I have a couple of Mets hats already, and I just needed that pinky to go with it, man. Right here, I do have my preferred size, which is 7 1/8, man. Let's look at this 25th anniversary Miracle Mets patch on the side. Let's take a look at this. Looking very nice. You know, I am a fan of the big patches, and we do have some good patchwork right here, man. Very nice. Let's go ahead and look at the back. We have a flat Batterman logo on this, and I just really like this because this is one of those classic colors, you feel me? It's not like way out where you got to do too much to match it. It's very wearable, you feel me? I will definitely get some burn out of this. Like I said, this is a pinky, so it does stand out from like your regular hats, man. And speaking of the New York Mets, man, shout out to the King Wears New Era. That's how I was able to get this joint. You know, I'm a Blue Jays guy when it comes to the hats, and I had been looking out for this hat for almost like 2 years. This was the Ladies Night pack that I think came out in like 2020. So, I mean, you already see it. It's very clean, very nice. Got the pinky, you feel me? I think they used to call this like the Donald Trump when it first came out, but you know, I appreciate the heads up, the alley-oop for this hat, man. But anyway, right here on the inside, we do have a white sweatband. We do have the hat size, New Era flag, and Cooperstown collection. This one is made in Bangladesh, so I'm hoping for a good fit. Sticker price right there, $55, man. Let me go ahead and take this off. Like I said, this is just one of those ones I've really been trying to find for a long time. The only other Blue Jays that I really feel like I'm missing is that crossovers, and y'all already know they are taxing for that Blue Jays crossover. They just came out with the that Blue Jays themed pack, but they didn't have that original Blue Jay in there, so I just had to pass on it, man. But let me take this one off. Let me put this one on. Ooh, and we have a good fit. I like this. Oh yeah. So let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now, you feel me? It is still the summer, you feel me? So I've been going really hard with my jerseys, especially my Mitchell & Ness throwbacks, man. And so right here, I do have a Mitchell & Ness. Now, this is a little special. It's a little different, man. You feel me? This has that Harlem Diplomats, you feel me? This dropped maybe about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago. And, you know, I just felt like this would be the proper jersey because, you know, of course we got the coordination and you got to coordinate. But also with that pink brim, you feel me, it's only right. You know, Cameron really did his thing with the pink. And so it's like a double homage to Killer Cam and the Diplomats, you feel me? But yeah, let me go ahead and give you one more of these. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give you some more of that side patch shot. And let's go ahead and get to the second hat in that box, man. So, yeah, let's do it, man. Right here, Now this is something a little bit different. This is a Washington Nationals. You know, this is in that navy. We have the side patch, which is not very large, man. And this is my first side patch of this, which is the World Series 2019 World Series side patch. Just so you can get a look at that. I mean, it's a decent size, but like I said, I do like the larger side patches. But this is one of those newer ones. We do have that navy. Then we have the white W outlined in red. You go ahead and turn it to the back, and we do have that flat Batterman logo back there, man. Now this is another one of those pinkies, you feel me? When they did that whole restock re-up, I say, you know, let me go ahead and take advantage of the pinkies while they're kind of easier to get, you know, easily to access these pieces. So I said, let me go ahead and scoop this one up, man. This was $55 as well. We do have an all-white sweatband, and let me know what you think, man. Tell me what you think about the them making the hats kind of more available, you know, easier to cop, you feel me? Because sometimes it gets so hard to get a hat where you don't even have nothing in the collection. So I feel like it's better because, you know, more people are getting the opportunity to have these, you know, different UVs and, you know, stuff like that. I feel like it's a good look. And if you've been stacking those points, you can finally use those points on something that's actually good. Because, you know, it would be hard to check out and try to use the points. By the time you use the points, the hat you got or the hat you were trying to get was already sold out. So I do like having, you know, a good variety of stuff on the site, you know, consistently. Let's go ahead and look at the inside. Like I said, all white sweatband. We have the hat size, New Era flag, Cooperstown collection. Yeah, man, this is my first Nationals hat in the blue color. I do have the red, but this is my first blue. So let's go ahead and take this one off. Let's go ahead and put this one on. This one is a little bit bigger. Let's see what this size. This is another Bangladesh, so I get a little bit more space. But let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you something I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now, right here, I do have on the Majestic 2-button shirt. You know, this is one of my favorite types of shirts. If you've been following the channel, you feel me? I have probably about 15 different teams all in that 2-button kind of 80s style throwback t-shirt, you feel me? So this is the Nationals, got the Nationals hat, man, so it's only right, you feel me? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, man, and don't forget to like this video, comment, you feel me? Talk to your boy, because you know I talk back, man. But let me go ahead and give you a little bit more of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side, give you some more of that side patch shot. Now let's go ahead and get to that next box. All right, here we go. We got the next box right here. Now, I don't know if it's just me or if y'all noticed that Hat Club has not been doing the Hat Club, you know, on the sides of the boxes anymore. Now, I kind of like that, you know, just because I just had so many different boxes and they were all Hat Club. Now, I mean, I don't know what's coming in, you feel me? But anyway, I got my trusty box cutter. Let me go ahead and slice it on down the middle. Peel back, gang, you know the vibes. Go ahead and peel it back. And you know what? A special shout out to Play by Play Ray. If you've been following my Instagram, you know I have been a judge on the We Outside hat battles, man. So that's something that you go ahead and check out his IG, Play by Play Ray. You feel me? So I've been a judge, me and 2 other guys, man, and it's been very fun, you feel me? I've had a great time being a judge, and we just got one more battle to go for the championship, man. So yeah, man, make sure y'all tune in for that, man. And if you haven't already, subscribe or follow my IG at The Official Ace, man. But we have a packing slip. Ooh, oh yeah. See, man, it's been a while, man. So here's the pin work right here. We do have, let's go ahead and get up tight on there. You already know what it is, man. It's the green eggs and ham. This is the little, I guess, the green egg. What is this dude? I don't know. Some type of lizard or something. But we got the pin right there. You know it's the green eggs and ham. But what team would I get, man? Let's think about it. What team would Ace Boogie get? You probably already guessed it by now, man. Toronto Blue Jays joint, man. Let's go ahead, take a nice look at this, man. This is one of those that I did miss on the first time around. And once I had that second opportunity to grab it, I just went ahead and grabbed it, man. So we do have that green eggs and ham, Toronto's Blue Jays. You see, I really like how they get that extra pop of color, you feel me, which in this case is the pink, you feel me. Let's go ahead and turn to the side. We have that, I believe it's a 92, yep, 92 World Series side patch right here, man. We got a lot of gold, which I am a big fan of, you feel me. Boom, turn to the side. Let me go ahead and show you some of that flat Batterman logo back here. Let's go ahead, see if we can get a good zoom in on this. There we go, which is pink and green, which you can't really go wrong with, man. Forest green hat, you feel me. That's where the green eggs and the ham, obviously the pink bottom, you feel me. So we have a black sweatband on this. We do have hat size, New Era flag, Cooperstown collection, and this was made in Bangladesh as well, man. So this is just one of those that I'm very glad to get into the collection, you feel me. It's been a while. I had my eye on it, and it finally came home, man. So let me go ahead and take this one off. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Feels good, yeah. We got that good fit alert, you feel me. Let me give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot. And let me show you what I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now, right here, I do have on the Rolling Stones concert graphic t-shirt, you feel me. And, you know, you get some of that pink, which matches with that brim. You get some of that green that matches with that green, man. And I'm not done yet. Now, one thing, I don't know if you noticed or not, but all three of the hats that I did pick up were pink bottoms. And I have something special that I do want to show you guys. Now, Nike did come out with woven shorts, which are like my favorite kind of shorts. And they did come out with a pink color, which matches the brim on the pink bottom hats perfectly, you feel me? So let me just go ahead and grab one of these real quick. Hopefully you guys can see the match. But yeah, that pink and that pink on the hat is like an A1 match, man. So really, to be honest, you could just throw these shorts on with any pink bottom hat, throw in a white tee, and you are good to go. Now, I have done a review on these shorts, not this exact color, but I did a review on the pink ones. This is the new one that has the back pocket cover. So if you want to check out more about these shorts, you can check out that video. Or if you just want me to do like a separate video with just purely the pink shorts and my pink bottom hats, I can do that as well, you feel me? Let me know in the comments, man. But yeah, you already know I appreciate y'all checking your boy out, man. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie. I holla.